The big game is fast approaching, but wait, you still haven't got your tickets. You've spent hours searching, but you're still confused about ticket prices. Time to stop searching. Visit ticketcompare.com. We compare ticket prices for all the popular leagues and tournaments for you. We work only with the most trustworthy sites, so you can have peace of mind when buying your tickets. Compare prices, buy tickets, get to the game. Ticketcompare.com. Buying tickets made simple.
With injury news, any players returning or any new injuries ahead of this game?
No new injury. It's a good thing. Always Robert Hult and James also. A little more. Just a little injury, but also player available for this game, and like the international players, they come back. Sometimes someone with tiredness is normal because they played a lot, but with good attention, good focus about this game, and also with good result in the international team. It's a good thing for the spirit, for the head.
So sorry, Iborra, were you saying is he available? Iborra?
He's available. Yeah, Chilwell also. It was a little injury for the last game, and he is available also.
And Matty James, may he?
No available for the moment, but he make progress on the training session like Robert Hult, and we will see when they can come back on the group.
Adrien Silva, more disappointment for him. He obviously tried to bring his own case forward, but still unable to play for you. How disappointing has that been for him and for yourselves?
Yeah, of course, it's difficult for Adrien because it's just for him some training session all the time without objective, without possibility to play and to in the games. It's difficult. It's a pity because we have a good player without possibility to put him on the pitch. Yeah, it's difficult for him. It will be a good thing for us also, for the squad, to have Adrien available with us. But this is the regulation. I'm not sure, but it's a fact, and we need to take this and to prepare Adrien for January.
Just how big an addition will he be for you in January?
Ce qui va vraiment être très important comme nouveau joueur en janvier.
It will give other opportunity for the team, and I think it's important to have a lot of players available. We go to play every 3 days, sometimes every 2 days, and it's very hard, very difficult, and we need a lot of players with quality and available for all these games. It's very important to make some rotation on the squad, on the team, but we need to take this decision, and we will find all the possibility, all the opportunity for other players.
2 games in now since you've joined, a win and a draw. How pleased have you been so far with the performances and from what you've seen?
I think it's important always to improve, to correct some aspects, some details every time. Of course, for example, it's difficult on this time to work with the international break and without a lot of training session together. It's difficult to correct some aspects, but the winner against Everton, the draw after Stoke. I think it's a good thing to work with good spirit on the training session, to work hard on the training session when it's possible, of course. And it was a little disappointment, for example, just after the game of the Stoke, because we were leading 1-0, 2-1, and it was difficult at the end to accept this draw. But we can see different aspects in our play, and it was encouraging and promising for the future. This is the most important. After we go to play another game, other opponent, and it will be other thing.
Are you enjoying your time so far? Do you feel settled in now? You feel like the players are responding to you?
Yeah, of course. I'm amazing about all this, and enjoy, because the listening of the player is very good, and they work with attention, with good focus and concentration. Of course, we want correct different things, but we work for example with the movies, with different meeting, not just on the pitch. And I think all is important, because for the international player, they played with intensity, rhythm in their national team, and it's important to protect them for the game. And it was important to see different other things on the movies, and different correction after our game against Everton and Stoke, and we will see the result.
Do you think we'll see big changes as the season goes on in how they're playing?
Oui.
Est-ce qu'il va y avoir beaucoup de changements dans le style de jouer à l'avenir?
We will see the future. I like the attitude of the group, of my group, of my player, because I say they listen, they want to see different things, but it's important also to keep the good confidence, and without changing a lot of things in a short time. We have not all the training session possible, and it's important step by step, gradually to correct something, and but of course I want like Everton, like sometimes also against Stoke, to see my players with different opportunity to play counter-attack, but also to play a set attack and a good football and a good result at the end, of course. But it's important to have the possibility to have a completed game to play against any opponent. This is the most important thing for the future. But it's a long way. It's a long way, and now it's just to prepare this game against Manchester City without a lot, I said, training session, and after other opponents, and we will see the other game of the future.
Pep Guardiola named Manager of the Month for October today. How impressed have you been with the form that they have shown lately?
It's a great manager, fantastic manager, because he gave a steal on his team with possession, but with the ability also to make a good counter-attack and also good set attack with possession. It's a completed game, a completed team, and for me, with Paris, perhaps it's the best team in Europe in this moment, and it's just an exciting game for us to play this game against a great team, against a great staff, a great manager. It's an opportunity for us to play a good football, a good a good game, and I hope a good result.
Sané named Player of the Month as well. What do you make to him as a player? Just how good is he?
Et qu'est-ce que vous pensez de Sané qui a été aussi nommé joueur du mois? Sané, meilleur Sané.
Yeah, it's a fantastic player also, but it's Sané and it's also player we can tell about all the players on this team because they play fantastic football and with quality, solidity, and they can make the difference like Sané alone with good penetration or with a good relationship with his teammates. Yeah, but I think good for him, good for them. But the most important thing is now is to see what we can do against this team, and we respect this team, but we don't fear them.
Yeah, I was going to say you don't go into it with fear. Is it a game that you actually think you can win?
Donc vous n'avez pas peur dans ce match que vous pensez pouvoir gagner quand même.
But we are at home and with all the support from our fans, we can do fantastic things. And I think of course we know this team in European games in Premier League is the best team in England, but in Europe. But all the time, any opponent, any team can make the difference, and it's important just to staying focused about what we can do on the pitch, and the good things, the good positive attitude to attack also is very important, not just to defend against this team. And we will see the result. But yeah, I said it's a good, it's an exciting game and a very fantastic challenge. Just this, it's an opportunity for us. No other thing.
Claude, during the international break, did you have the opportunity to get to know some of the players in smaller groups and perhaps pass on some of your ideas?
Encore pendant la trêve internationale, vous avez eu l'occasion de connaître un peu mieux les joueurs dans des petits groupes et vous avez eu l'occasion de leur communiquer un peu vos idées.
Yeah, of course. It's important to communicate, to speak with different players, with my staff, all the people working around me, around the team, because it's just a few weeks I'm here, and it's important. And for example, I watched all the game, all the international game to look my players and to know all the squad, but just not just the squad, but also the under 23. I saw 3 games of the under 23. Some young players came to make training session with us also. It's important to have a good relationship with the under 23, a good possibility for them to see the professional and perhaps to bring something fresh and quality in this group. Nothing is close for me. Also, the opportunity can arrive for a professional or for a young player on the academy also. I think it's very important. And of course, I continue to know all my players, all the squad, and it's a reflection also. It's a view for the future, and all this it's important. But my door is open. Is open, of course, because it's important to receive and to discuss with other players.
Who of the under 23 players that you saw perhaps impressed you when you went to see them?
2-3 players came with us, for example, and they have some ability. It was important also for me to see the players in loan. Also in a championship or at Nice like Papi Mendy or different Fribourg also a player learning in Fribourg. All this, it's important to know this player and to see on the future if you need some other players or no, but the first thing, the first important thing is to feel the quality of my squad.
And just finally from me, during that time, have you settled in Leicester, had a look around, maybe find a nice home? Are you enjoying it in the city itself?
Et pendant cette même période, vous avez eu l'occasion de connaître un petit peu mieux la ville de l'Est. Vous avez peut-être trouvé une maison, vous vous sentez déjà chez vous.
Yeah, I enjoy to visit Leicester a lot. Not just to visit, but also to find an apartment or an house. An house is a little difficult for me and for my wife, but I enjoy to visit Leicester, the city center, and yeah, it's very interesting, very nice, and I'm happy, of course, to live at Leicester and to train this club with this fantastic fan. And I know the atmosphere in this stadium, and it's fantastic, and it will be very important for tomorrow.
Ian, please.
Hello, Claude. Just on the injuries, is there a time scale on James and Huth? How long do you think they'll be out?
I don't know exactly, but it's a good. They make good progress, but I don't know exactly when he can come back with a training session with a group. They make good progress, and I hope, of course, we can recover them in November, at the end of November or beginning of December.
But they're not training with the first team yet?
Not just with the training session with the group, but near as they can do, they can run, and this is important.
You mentioned small changes. Is one of the changes you've made to move training sessions? Are you now training in the afternoon rather than in the morning? And if so, how is that helping?
De toutes changes.
Vous avez parlé des petits changements, et donc si j'ai bien compris, maintenant vous faites des entraînements l'après-midi. Qu'est-ce que ça change?
It's just for the recovery. For example, with international players, they come back tired, and it's important to manage them and to give them opportunities to sleep and to recover better. And at this time, sometimes it's at the beginning of the afternoon, and I think it's a good thing. But all the time is different because it's a priority. The recovery of the player, and we adapt the training session with this.
And with that in mind, you have 12 games in 47 days coming. Leicester City actually have the fewest hours to play all of their Christmas games in the Premier League. How difficult is that for you to manage when you're trying to implement small changes?
But of course, it's very, very difficult. I know this a little more with Southampton, for example, with games every 3 days, with European games, and the Boxing Day in 5 days, three games in 5 days. It was crazy. And what's happened here is the same. It's a difficulty, and it will be important to manage the team, to see the balance on the game time for every player, to make some rotation also. It will be very important, and it will be very important for the player for the staff, for me to manage this player, to keep all the players with a good spirit, with a good attitude, and with hard work in the training session, because it's important to keep any game, any match the same level. I think we are lucky because we have a good squad, many players, many great players, and it will be important to maintain this level, the high level on the pitch, on the quality, on the result, and with a strong work hard on the pitch. Yeah.
Is there too much football over Christmas?
I think it's a good thing for the farm. It's a good thing for all people like the football. It's an adaptation, of course, for the players, for the staff. Perhaps sometimes they will prefer to staying with their family, with their children. But it's also amazing to play in this atmosphere, and I like this, and I think the player like this also, and accept this situation. But sometimes, of course, it's difficult. It's difficult when your opponent doesn't play in the same moment. If, for example, the opponent his last game was 3 days ago, and you play just 2 days after the last game, I think it's no normal, because the recovery is not the same. And this is very difficult to manage, to understand this. Yeah.
And a couple of questions on Manchester City tomorrow. Who's Manchester City's most dangerous player?
All the play, because all the play can make the difference on the game, with penetration, with good relationship, and defenders, midfield, striker. And every position is a player with fantastic quality. But yeah, when we say this, I think the most important just is to keep the good focus, a good concentration about our game, what we can make, and to not just to disturb them, but to try to have the good result and to score and to play.
And finally, Manchester City have scored more goals in the second half of games this season than any other team has throughout the 90 minutes of their games. Why do you think they're so dangerous in the second half of games?
Yeah, but because normally it's a team with a lot of possession, and the opponent is difficult to keep always the good concentration, the good focus when you run after the ball, and in the second half they can make the difference, they can score. But it's important for us to of course to believe in our qualities. And I say with fantastic support from our fans, we can do a fantastic result against this team. It's an exciting game. Just to it's important just without looking after their qualities, but just to see we have also a fantastic quality. It's important to see this quality on the pitch tomorrow against a great team. But I said it's a fantastic opportunity for us, and I hope to win, for example, and it will be the first time they lose. It's the most important thing.
Good luck tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, folks. So just anything from here will be from 10:30 tonight onwards, please.